Happy Election Day, South Jersey. I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci. We are in a risk for severe weather today. We are in either a level 1 risk, that's for most of the area, but as you get down towards the shores of the Delaware Bay and into Cape May County, it is a level 2 risk or a slight risk for severe weather. Now, it's been foggy this morning too, and that's going to play into our severe weather threat later today. Look at the fog numbers that we're seeing here in terms of miles of visibility. A quarter of a mile for most of South Jersey, 8 miles over at Wildwood Airport in Lower Township. And this is important because the longer that the fog stays around, the less severe our weather is going to be for later today. The quicker it burns off, the better chance we have to juice up the atmosphere before showers come in. This is our future radar from pivotalweather.com. 9 a.m., we are dry except for those areas of fog and drizzle that are around. We go to noon, that's when you start to see this line here coming into the region. And I think the main timing of this is going to be between 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. It's not going to rain for 5 hours, but you will see rain for 1 or 2 hours as we make our way through the day today. So if you are going to go out and vote, do it either this morning or wait until later in the evening as we get towards 6 o'clock. We really are tapering off here. It may just be a lingering shower, but by the time we get to the end of the PM commute today, all should be dry, and we will have less humidity and a clearing sky as we go through the overnight hours. Here are our severe threats for today. Main thing I'm watching out for is the risk of damaging winds, and I'll show you why. These are winds about 5,000 feet above our head, the 850 millibar level. This is a good idea of what our maximum wind gust would be if we get some convection to form and we do get our high-end showers here in thunderstorm. 55 to 70 mile an hour gusts are in our region during the afternoon. In addition to that, a tornado is not ruled out. It is a small threat. Most of us, if not all of us, are going to be okay. More than likely, we're all going to be okay, but it is something to keep in the back of your mind. And there will be areas of flooded roadways, especially how soggy we were over the past couple of days, and between a half inch to an inch of rain that is expected for today. Here is your morning forecast. Temperatures will rise into the 60s once the warm front passes through and our winds switch from the southeast to the southwest. And here's your ballot cast for today. Again, if you're going to go to the ballot box, you want to do it either this morning or you want to do it later in the day if you really want to stay dry. Again, most of the day is going to be okay out there. 70 degrees in Dennis, 67 in Cape May. If you're along the shores of Delaware Bay, Stowe Creek and Fortescue are two examples. Well, you have that chilly, now that it's November, chilly water blowing onto the shore. Temperatures only in the mid-60s there, but violence should get up into the 70s. We go over Southern Ocean County, Stafford, and Long Beach. Temperatures in the mid-60s, about 5 to 7 degrees above average for this time of year. Then for tonight, we'll bottom out in the low 50s. That's about 10 degrees above average. It's the windows open kind of weather here as we clear out. Should be clear by midnight. And then for our Wednesday, a beautiful day here. Comfortable temperatures in the mid-60s. A little bit gusty at times, but overall, not a bad day here in South Jersey. Mainland 7-day forecast shows on Thursday, we will have a sunny sky. Temperatures drop down a little closer to seasonal. Then we have what is going to be a pair of low pressure systems. One moves through the Appalachian Mountains, one moves offshore. The combination of two brings us rain. It should not be a washout, favoring Friday afternoon and Friday night for the timing now. Temperatures in the mid-50s. And then we drop for the weekend. It will be our first taste of winter as we get into Sunday on Veterans Day. Highs only in the 40s. And look at our overnight lows. Should have a hard freeze everywhere in South Jersey by the weekend. Sure, 7-day forecast. Same icons here, but we're going to see temperatures in the overnights look milder here. Still not going to get our freeze yet, although it'll come close on Saturday night. Low temperatures will be in the mid-30s. We'll have more in the risk for severe weather as well as your election day forecast coming up. And meanwhile, follow me on social media for the latest. Facebook and Instagram at JoeMarWX. Twitter at AC Press Martucci or PressAC.com/weather.